In this video, we're going through day 8 of Legendary Marketer's 15-day online builder challenge. Hey guys, and welcome to day 8 of the Legendary Marketer's 15-day online builder business challenge. Now I'm just going to get straight into this today and show you around what goes on in day 8. I'm just going to obviously we'll always start off with one of Dave's videos here and just start that from the beginning.
This is interesting. Facebook can't compete. Good old
assignments we've got today is another testimonial from somebody telling you how they really succeeded. And actually, if you click on this link here, you can see over 3,000 testimonials of happy customers, people who are making a living from doing this program. That's a lot, 3,000 people just in testimonials. Assignment 2, again, it's not really an assignment, it's just reminding you that you should be working with your coach. When they say working with your coach, they kind of just mean having the odd phone call, seeing how things are going, making sure you're progressing through the challenge okay. And assignment 3, again, it's not an assignment, it's just a step, really. The next step is just make sure that you've click this button here to make sure that the lesson's complete, and click continue to the next step so that it will unlock your next day. So anyway, let's go into Dave's video for today. So day 8, what he's talking about is the importance of email marketing. He does go over quite a bit on the gathering traffic side, and email marketing is the one thing that he says you really should concentrate on as you go through the program. I guess you're going to be building up your list anyway. Dave goes through to say how he's earned over $250 million in sales using affiliate marketing, and if he was to lose it all today, the first thing he would do is restart an affiliate marketing business and go to his list and start selling through his list. But this is a really good 25 minutes video by Dave here, explaining the importance of marketing and why you should build a list. So that's pretty much it for the day, guys. I'll see you tomorrow when we get on to day 9. Thanks.